Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Carlos, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how we can create transcripts or closed captioning for our videos. I'm going to show you guys how to load up the SRT files. We can use that same process to create the transcripts and the words that show up at the bottom of the video, just in case you're using this at say maybe a conference or something where there's a lot of noise and you have this really good video and your message is being lost because there's so much noise happening. So we can add these little words at the bottom. It's going to be a quick tutorial because Adobe has done a really good job at simplifying creating closed captions. So let's go take a look. But first, and welcome back. So like I said, we're going to take a look at the process of how to create these closed captions or these transcripts. And the process is the same if we're creating transcripts and closed captioning. It just depends on how we're going to ultimately use the result of this process. As an example, here we have my latest video. And if we take a look, it says, "Hello and welcome everyone back to the channel. I'm Carlos, and in this video." Now that the process is done and we're going to go through the process, I just wanted to show you the result. If I wanted to render this out, those words will be at the bottom of the video. If I didn't want these words in the export of this video, I would just turn off that eyeball there, and there we go. I have this video already laid out, so all of the words are already set up. So what I'm going to do is delete this track. I'm going to unmute. And this is the background music, so I'm just gonna leave that like that. So if we scrub, super excited Carlos, moving on. What I'm gonna do is go up to Window and drop down to where it says Text. I'm gonna go over to the Captions tab, Transcribe Sequence. Sequence name, okay, that's fine. Length, all right, 14.5 minutes. I always leave this audio on track and I leave that as mixed. Language is English. For the most part, this is fine. I hit transcribe. And what's happening here, we see is it's rendering the audio. So then it's taking that one audio file that's combined from the entire video, and then it's sending it up to Adobe Sensei that then is going to pick all the words out. And then we'll see when this gets back, it's going to lay everything out in the transcript tab, and then we'll be able to edit the words if need be. We're going to let this do its thing, and we'll be back when this is done. Okay, so now that we got this back from Adobe Sensei, let's go ahead and rewind all the way to the beginning, and if I hit the space bar. Hello and welcome everyone back to the channel. I'm Carlos, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at how to draw mouth shapes. So as we can see, Adobe Sensei did a pretty good job of picking all the words, and even the sentence structure is pretty good. But this is where we can go in and change the grammar. We can fix some spelling. So once we have all of our edits done to the transcript, what I can do is click on Create Captions. Subtitle is fine, style is none. I usually leave this pretty much alone. What I'm going to do is click OK. And now what's going to happen is Premiere is going to take the transcripts that we got and edit it. And now we see here, it added some timing. And here we see hello and welcome is happening within the first couple seconds. Everyone back to the channel is up to 2 seconds. And this is the part that we can use on our YouTube videos. So what I'm going to do is click on the ellipse here and export SRT file. And then we can go ahead and save that. Desktop is fine. Save it as test captions. Click save. And from here, I would then render out my video. Okay, so now we're going to pretend like we exported our video and we already uploaded it to YouTube. So here is our test captions video. And what I'm going to do is come over here to the right-hand side and click subtitles. And here I'm going to do upload file with timing. I'm going to hit continue. Now I'm going to find my test captions SRT, click upload. And here is our caption and our timestamp for those captions. And we can go through and make our final edits here if needed. Otherwise, we could just go ahead and click done. and all we have to do is wait for our video to finish processing, and our subtitles will automatically be in place and timed out properly. I hope you learned something in this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you know anyone else that's looking to get into movie making, animation, graphic design, please send this video on over to them. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you notice, there's a little bell right next to the subscribe button. If you click that, every time I come out with a new video, you'll be alerted. I hope this video finds you healthy, and I hope this video finds you safe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Coconut chest.